Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram something went wrong and reload page error problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get a start. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and tap on search bar, search Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow back, second call logs allow back, camera allow back and contacts, location, microphone, nearby device, notifications, turn on or enable notification option. Okay, back and phone, photos and videos allow all permission, complete. Okay, back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search Instagram update and tap on Instagram update. Check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And open your Instagram app and you can see this is problem solved. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.